and with actual commentating. So I'm just going to show you some examples of the websites I've made with HTML and CSS. As you can see, use doc type HTML and the format with the head and body, and I have a bunch of divs and links in the head. As you can see, I have the charge set here, the title, the link to connect to the CSS, and then have an icon. And as you go down, just some random stuff, and you put them into classes to later on in CSS give them whatever you want, such as color animations and changing colors. So then in CSS, this is where you put all the attributes and stuff, like color, background, fonts, basically whatever you want. The margins, which help you whenever you have different types of devices or screens sizes. And these are basically selectors. This is a class. These are the ones with the periods in front of them are class selectors. And keyframes is how you animate the text here. That's keyframes is all about animation. So yeah. So basically, I'm just showing you examples of some of the websites I built. So let's go to the other one. So this one's okay. So I just started this one, but I'm trying to like make a series on it, I guess, where I try to build a very complex website, but it's gonna take time. So that's why a lot of videos are gonna take long for this. So this is a different website. I think I have to open a new folder to actually make it work. So wait, save. Yeah, I have to open a new folder because this is for the other one. So I will go to website tutorial HTML, and it should open. Okay, it's opening. As you can see, this website belongs to this HTML and CSS. You can see the metadata is charset UTF-8. The title is Expo's website right here, and I just added a random icon, which is this, and there's a header, put pre's for breaks, and then the main body, more pre's for breaks, and the footer. These are all examples of tags you can put. And so yeah, this is just the website I'm working on now for videos. So yeah, peace out, guys.